Hell yeah, Josh. Haha. That's a good one, man. You sent it. Look at that.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Good.
Haha, he's feeling good. Look at this. Alright, so we're gonna tie in and we're gonna be following him up here in a second. Hopefully our battery lasts, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And John's gonna go up and he's gonna check his anchor. So stay tuned. Alright, here we go. I'm waiting for him to pull up the slack. That was an amazing free solo, wasn't it? That felt so amazing. This is pretty awesome. So Josh led this. I remember leading this for the first time and it was so terrifying. Oh my gosh. Come a long way. I remember we got up to this crack here and I had a nut placement and I did not extend that nut placement. Make sure you guys are on here. Nice. We're recording. So yeah, I didn't extend the nut placement and it popped out behind me, and let me tell you folks, ain't nothing more scary than that. So let's check out this first placement here. Nice here. Look at this. Alright, so yeah, we have a constriction down here and it opens up wide, so this is good. Direction of pull is down. I would say that's a good placement right there. Let's get this here. I like to put a sling. That way, if you're doing multi-pitch, you just hand it off to your partner. And you're good to go. Oh yeah, this is a fun one to lead, I tell you. Because if you fall, you're gonna swing back to that wall. So if I fall right now, wouldn't be good either. Luckily, pretty easy climbing. Make sure you guys can see here. Alright. I'm pretty happy with how Josh is doing. He's doing so good. It's not easy to go outside. So check this out. See if the rope is going like this. Not bad. See how it walks back into the crack? I would still say that's a good placement. Still say that's a good one. Let me see. The only thing I would say, and I know Josh, you're probably watching this later. So see this red cam here? See how it's pointing up towards me? You would want to place this one downwards. This is not bad, but see how it walks into the back here? And now look. I didn't even need to pull that trigger. So if your rope is pulling up, what you just saw right there, your gear can just pull out and you wouldn't even know it. It's good that he put the extension on there so that mitigated the risk of that happening. Alright. Honestly, overall, not bad. You could have fallen on that and you would have been fine. And coming up to the array here. It's an intense lead because when you traverse across here, and if you fall, you're going to take a big swing. going into the hard section here. Make sure you guys can see. Yeah, I'm getting to the hard sequence here. Yeah, I remember I had a nut in here. I started climbing up and it popped out. And my last placement was down there, and let me tell you, I was scared. I was terrified. I'm not ashamed to admit it. Oh, look at that. Nice black totem placement there. I like it. That was a nice one. Pretty sure I used that one myself. Really nice placements. See that constriction? That's what we're looking for. I love it when that happens. I'm gonna shut up and climb. Yeah, this would look at this right here. A little sketchy. A little sketchy. Got to watch out for that walking. See how it opens up in the back? This is what I'm exactly talking. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You got to be very careful with that. So I also, when I place, I also do the check like you just saw. I wiggle it back and forth. That way you can see if it walks. If it walks, I would opt for a better placement if you have it. Beautiful crack climbing here, right? I mean, following this is like so much easier than leading it. Leading it's an intense experience. And Josh, I have to say, did an amazing job. Right, Josh? That was pretty quick, man. Sweet, awesome. Some nice climbing, dude. And yeah, you'll see the video, but some good gear, some stuff that I'd critique, but
Oh yeah, that yellow one.
yeah. There's a couple, yeah, but yeah, that's probably like a good confidence booster, right? Sometimes you just gotta put those in there. Yeah, that was sweet, man. I'm happy with you. Doing really good.
I'm happy. Ready for some beer?
Yeah. And this is why we put the sling. Right there. You got that?
I got it.
Okay, so he told me he has it. That was sweet, man. That was a good lead.
Fuck yeah.
John, amazing teacher. Alright, let me get up here and I'll let you know. Get a little slack. Alright. Alright, I'm good.